PAVTECH is a 100% Quebec-based nanotechnology company with its own formulations. The factory and laboratories are in Montreal.
PAVTECH has developed a nanotechnology called Asphalt mix for permanent pothole repairs in any weather conditions.
iSphalt 6.5 is a high-density black granite-based nanotechnology cold patch, a density of more than 3,000 kilograms per cubic meter. Designed for the repair of asphalt and reactive concrete. Cold applied to permanently potholes repair. It reacts with water to produce permanent repair. No heavy machinery is required and allows for the immediate ready for traffic. Unlike other traditional cold asphalt products that offer only temporary repairs. It saves time and money by eliminating costly and repetitive repairs. It significantly reduces working hours and substantially decreases risks related to the safety of roadwork crews. iSphalt 6.5 is a revolutionary high-performance and highly flexible product designed for repair of asphalt and reactive concrete. It reacts with water to produce a permanent repair. iSphalt 6.5 can be applied between -25 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. However, the technological coating will be more malleable at outside temperatures above -15 degrees Celsius. During the winter months, make sure iSphalt 6.5 is above 15 degrees Celsius before the application. Application of the iSphalt 6.5. iSphalt 6.5 is used with great success in patching any potholes. In most cases, simply remove all the detached materials and rinse at the outline of the area to be repaired. Place iSphalt 6.5 inside the pothole and level the product with a rake or a shovel. Once leveled, saturate the product with water and compact it. Water after compacting. The compacted composite must be 10 mm to 20 mm above the surrounding hard surface to accommodate secondary compaction, resulting from vehicle traffic. The iSphalt 6.5 coating also remains flexible after repair. Our iSphalt 6.5 cold coat is flexible and will continue to move and adapt to correct defects, such as cracks caused by unwanted impacts. This unique technological flexibility makes repairs permanent. We have repairs that are more than 3 years old, without deterioration or rupture of the on busy road networks. PAVTECH grants a 6-month warranty on repair if the application was made according to the manufacturer's instructions.
iSphalt 6.5 can be used in all weather conditions, cold, rain, snow, 12 months a year. iSphalt 6.5 is approved by the City of Montreal and Transport Quebec, and also used by many cities and municipalities. The factory and laboratories are in Montreal. The materials are from its own black granite mine in Abitibi-Témiscamingue. iSphalt 6.5 by PAVTECH, a nanotechnology cold asphalt mix, a permanent solution for potholes repair.